Hi guys, so today we are in Naka. We are showcasing this two-bedroom. It's going for 21,000 shillings. It's just less than 200 meters from the main road. So let's take a virtual tour of this particular house.
Baby, you give me eyes.
So guys, the house is undergoing renovation, as you can see. So don't mind all those. It's under renovation.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying. Whip, body, whip, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to?
In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele, oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn.
So guys, you have the upper storage. So the upper storage, that sink, and you have the lower storage over there. So on this side, this is where you'll come and put your hanging lights over here. So you have all the space for yourself. Look at that. So all that space is yours. From the kitchen, don't mind all this stuff. There's renovation ongoing. So you have that sink.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles.
So we head over to the first bedroom. Have this door over here. Then, yeah, that's the bedroom. I love the color combination of the wall. At the same time, the tiles, look at that, so simple. Then on this side, you have that closet.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
So the bedroom is master and suite. So you have that sink over there.
Don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying